Today it's the 16th of May 2022 in Hernepellontie at Engsvägen, or at Norsvägen. 46, I'll check the name so we should actually. I've filmed the staircase here before. We've only got to get to the staircase B here, which is left. The second staircase. Later. The best is 8 purchase order, 630 grams. It says 2000 on bunker, put 2001 on the door. But in the elevator it says 2000. According to the serial number, which is 12829, it's like April 2000.
Or May
2000.
Yeah.
But it says 2000 here.
Yeah.
20 years old in 2020. The best days it purchased 600 grams. Will be inspected it next year, 2023. 2 rides.
Yeah.
It's completely impossible to get inside here. But luckily we did it.
Yeah.
Could this be now the earliest GeN2 we've found? As this like this take a say here. It's like 29.
It's building 6 is here, and
Sorry, yeah.
and the 8 is also here.
But it's those with 28 something are the first ones.
Yeah, expected parking wise, and then focus on my scraps.
So maybe there could be something even earlier. So
Yeah.
the ones we found.
Yeah.
We haven't found it yet.
Yeah. The 6 is probably April and the other one's May 2000.
Yeah. Sounds like somebody is like opening the door, but no, they were not opening.
Yeah.
It's just sounds from the elevator. That's it. And thank you very much for watching. I hope we will get to the stage.
That's